In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude in Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great setup if you want faster access to Claude right from your browser, so you can save time and keep your AI assistant only one click away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, look for the Claude for Chrome listing. This is the official extension you'll want to install, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving on. Once you're on the Claude for a Chrome page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, so review the permissions and then continue by selecting Add Extension. After a few moments, the extension will be installed and ready to use. Now that Claude is installed, the next step is to pin it to your toolbar. This makes it much easier to open quickly whenever you need it. To do that, click the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome, then find Claude in the list. Next to it, click the pin icon so it stays visible in your browser toolbar. Once it's pinned, you'll be able to launch it in just one click. The final step is to sign in with your paid Claude account. Click the Claude extension icon from your toolbar and then log in using the account that has the paid access required for Chrome use. Follow the prompts carefully, complete the sign-in process, and once you're connected, Claude will be ready to use directly inside Chrome. And that's it. You've now installed Claude in Chrome, pinned it for quick access, and signed in with your paid account. From here, you can start using it more efficiently while browsing and working online. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.